The verse is actually just 2 chords. We're gonna play a D chord and we're going to play a G. I've had a largemouth bass bust my line, a couple beautiful girls tell me goodbye. Trucks break down, dogs run off, politicians lie, been fired by the boss. It takes one hand to count the things I can count on. So there ain't much, man, that ain't never letting me down. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and do the chorus. I've got 2 ways to play the chorus. One of them is just basically just chords. The other one is using the same chords, but then you can actually incorporate a little bit of a lead kind of lick in there with the chords, and I think it really sounds cool. So this is how it goes. It starts off in D, it goes to a G, back to D, then we're gonna go to A, and back to D, and it just repeats that. So here we go. There's that D chord. G, back to D, back to A, D, G, back to D, back to A, back to D, and that's it. Okay, now I'll go ahead and run through the part with a little lead lick in there and show you guys how to play it. Back into the intro after that. Okay, now for that little lead lick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 to 4 to 3 to open. Okay, then you're going to pull off on the A string, and then you're going to hit your top string like that. It's really similar to how the lick is played in the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here's the chorus. Run through that again. Here's the verse. Again. I'll go ahead and go through the intro too for you guys.